Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel Nurturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of
Azuki beans.
Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Azuki beans. The scientific name of azuki beans is Vigna angularis and they grow annually. It is also called adzuki or aduki. The name azuki comes from Japanese language, although the pronunciation often sounds like azuki. These beans are primarily red in color, but white, black, and mottled cultivars can also be found in certain areas. They are small beans which is grown in East Asia and the Himalayas. They come in a number of color and varieties. The health benefits of azuki beans include their ability to aid in weight loss, prevent and manage diabetes, optimize digestion, contribute to growth and repair, increase energy, lower blood pressure, reduce birth defects in infants, and detoxify the body. Diabetes prevention. Azuki beans regulate blood sugar levels, prevent diabetes symptoms, and manage diabetes. Growth and repair. Azuki beans contain proteins which boost energy, help to create new cells and tissues, and help in proper growth and repair of the body. Detoxification. Azuki beans contain molybdenum, which is not found in many foods. It helps to detoxify the body. Prevention of birth defects. Azuki beans contain folic acid and vitamin B, which help to prevent birth defects, neural tube defects in unborn babies. Better bone health. Azuki beans contain zinc, copper, and magnesium, which boost bone strength and prevent bone mineralization. Can improve digestion. Azuki beans contain soluble fiber which improves gut health and digestion. Can help you lose weight. Azuki beans contain protein and fiber which helps you feel full, reduces hunger, and helps to lose weight. May improve heart health. Azuki beans contain antioxidant which lowers LDL cholesterol levels, lowers high blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. May help you live longer. Azuki beans contain low amounts of amino acid, methionine, which is said to be increasing in lifespan. Up muscle mass. Azuki beans contain proteins which helps to build muscle mass. How to buy and store azuki beans. Buy azuki brand that are in their dry and uncooked form. Avoid buying any beans that contain sweeteners. Safety profile. The most common side effect of azuki beans is it produces gas and it can be hard to digest for some people. Except that no other side effects have been observed. Fun facts about azuki beans. According to genetic evidence, the azuki bean was first cultivated in East Asia and later was crossbred with native species in the Himalayas. The earliest known archaeological evidence of the bean comes from Japan around 4000 BC. In China and Korea, azuki bean specimens from ruins date from 3000 to 1000 BC, which are believed to be cultivated once. In East Asian cuisine, the azuki bean is commonly sweetened before eating. In particular, it is often boiled with sugar, resulting in red bean paste, a very common ingredient in all of these cuisines. It also is common to add flavoring to the bean paste, such as chestnut. Red bean paste made from azuki beans is used in a variety of Asian dishes. Some Asian cultures enjoy red bean paste as a filling or topping in various kinds of waffles, pastries, baked buns, or biscuits. To like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.